Hey there, Adrian, freelance web scraper. If you want anything web scraped, email me at adrian at thewebscrapingguy.com. So today we are going to be scraping the job board for LinkedIn. And this is the one that's behind or in front of the login. So I'm not sure if they show you the same jobs, but obviously the advantage is you don't have to have a user to see this one, and you don't have to worry about getting your account banned, or I mean, you can just use this, ad nauseum. So how I will show you, actually, maybe I'll show you first it working. Boom, boom. Okay, taking a little bit. Okay, boom, now it's going. So for this example, we're searching for marketing jobs, and these are nationwide, I believe. Yeah, campaign manager, or is this marketing? Something like that. Facebook, chief marketing officer, blah, 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 Shine. And we'll see if those are the same ones. You get the link. And then when we go into the details, then we have criteria, company, location, description, all the good stuff. So how we do that is this is going to be in Node.js because I'm a Node.js developer. And we have to hurry up and get the stuff that we want before they make you log in after a little bit of time. So we're going to go to engineering here. So this is the job where we are going to be scraping. So this is this is my approach, is see what happens when we paginate. Boom, right there. There's going to be an API call. That looks like it is maybe it. Yep. And so it looks like they return HTML, which is such a pain in the butt. Why? But they don't obfuscate any of their class names, so they make it super, super easy for you to get. So here they have a start. So this is the offset. So start on page 1 is going to be 0. Page 2, the offset or the start is going to be page 25, and so on and so forth. So all you do is copy as node fetch. All you Python devs can copy as curl and then can convert that to requests or whatever it is you do. And then, yeah, you just paste the fetch in here. Boop. And then the term is going to be, and as you can see, this is their API because it says API right here. So keywords, you're going to encode URI component because this is like a GET request, and then put in the term that you want. So that's marketing, software engineering, whatever. And then you want to change location. There's a bunch of parameters here. You can change all of these and they're going to change that API call. So if you just want, if you're just going to want one query the entire time, which is kind of what I want, then I hard-coded everything. And then if you want different ones, you have to figure out what all those different ones are. And then, yeah, you want to put that start as the offset, and the offset, this is how you calculate it, page minus 1 times 25. And then you don't even need to put a user agent here. You usually need to put a user agent, and you get rid of the cookie. I think obviously gives you a cookie. Yeah, it gives you this massive cookie. Don't even need it. Don't even need the cookie, which is interesting. You need that CSRF token, but that's it. They do rate limit you, so apparently I don't have a proxy for searching jobs, but getting the individual job you do. So you just need a proxy. I use Storm proxies. Highly recommend using Storm proxies because they're super, super cheap. Don't charge for bandwidth or anything. And if you want, you could use my affiliate link, but I don't know if I'll put that in the description. I might be a little bit lazy. So yeah, so to show you how, to get an individual job post, I'm going to click on that one, and then boom. We're going to see if there's any fetch requests. Let's check the fetch requests. And actually doesn't look like there. I know there is one though. Let's try another one. Event, yeah, right here. Boom. So if we do this for this one might be cached. Whatever. Oh, man. Where did you go? I missed you so. There we go, right there. So then we just need the ID of the job posting. I'm not sure what this ref ID is, but I think you don't even need it. Yeah. You can just get rid of that. So funny. So yeah, you just need the ID of the job, which I'll show you how I get that later. But yeah, you just copy as node fetch. Easy. Get rid of the cookie. This one, I think you do need a user agent. And and then you just get the user agent from this one right here. Apparently I didn't have that, but any user agent, I guess, like that would be fine. So then we just need to parse everything. This also returns, HTML, which is annoying because you need to JSONify it. And so the ID is, this is how LinkedIn does this. They have this data entity URN. So let me show you the search HTML. If they don't kick me out of here. Goodness gracious, hate all this. And LinkedIn tracks like no one's business. Look at all these tracking things. Okay, here we go. I guess I really didn't need this either. So looks like everything is this LI. Yep, right here. So there you go, LI, and then this div has this entity URN, and so this right here is the ID for the job. And you just have to take off everything but that. And then it's just a matter, and I use Cheerio to parse all of this. And you get the class job search card, they make it super, super easy. Title, base search card title, subtitle. I mean, I hate parsing stuff from HTML to JSON, but this is one of the easiest ones. And then kind of the same stuff with, the individual job posting page. They make it super easy to have they have all these nice class names that you just grab with Cheerio. Yeah, and then you just push it into an object for JavaScript. And that's it. Yeah, that's really, I think for the description, job description I had to replace, so I had to find this show more less HTML markup, get the HTML, and then replace all of these strings, like the break line, unordered list items, and then put it back into Cheerio and get the text. So that's how I have all of these stars, is I replace the LIs, I believe, with those stars, and the ULs with new lines, and the ending LI with a new line to make it nicely formatted like that. Or you could just return the HTML as well for that, and in your application, just paste in the HTML. I think that's it. If you want the code for this, drop a comment in YouTube or Twitter, wherever this is posted, and I can give you the code. And if you want jobs scraped from LinkedIn, let me know, and I can hook this up to your site or import these into Airtable, whatever you need, into a database. And I'll probably put this on Apify as well. So that's it. Adrian at thewebscriptguy.com.